Top 10 best tourist place to visit in Dubai. Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Destination. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys top 10 best tourist place to visit in Dubai. So let's get started. Dubai is the world's fourth best visited city, known for its high-rise architectural marvels and diverse range of resorts and spas. It's a place where the Burj Al Arab, a colossal tower, was once the talk of the town, only to be replaced by the Palm Jumeirah and the Burj Khalifa. Let's simply say that this metropolis is always expanding and expanding, constructing futuristic structure as well as amazing attraction. If you keep reading this list of tourist attractions that I have prepared, you will be taken on a guided tour of some of the Dubai's top attractions, where you will discover plenty of exciting things to do. It is without a doubt a holiday experience pushed to the next level, with world-class garden and marketplace, an exciting theatre with cultural show, an indoor aquatic wonderland, and much more. So stay in the video and I am making a list of the location you want to see on your trip to Dubai. Best time to visit Dubai. The greatest time to visit Dubai is between November and March, when the weather is mild and you can enjoy sightseeing all the day. The temperature is hot and humid throughout the summer month, therefore you should plan your trip for the winter months. If you can see the New Year celebration and attend the Dubai Shopping Festival, visit Dubai between end of December and the middle of February. Here is a comprehensive list of the most well-known locations to visit in Dubai that you should not overlook during your vacation. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa, a world-famous structure, is on everyone's list of attractions to see in Dubai. The 124th floor breathtaking bird-eye view over the desert one side and the turquoise blue ocean on the other side are a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you are in Dubai, you must go to this location, which is on the list of tourist attractions in Dubai. Number 2. Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab is at the top of the list of places to visit in Dubai in 2021. It is the world's fourth tallest hotel and one of the most expensive 7-star hotels with enormous achievement. The Burj Al Arab is brilliantly lit up in the evening by coordinating lighting and providing a variety of opportunities to see Dubai's attraction. Ideal for photographers and the very wealthy persons, at least until you can save up for this one. Number 3. Jumeirah Beach. Jumeirah Beach is one of the Dubai's most famous tourist destinations, suitable for all types of visitors. This beach is ideal for sunbathers and sunset watchers. A picture-perfect resort with a succession of exotic hotels lined up along the road leading to the beach, world-class facilities and beautiful sunset view from the beach. Number 4. Dubai Mall. This mall is for shopaholics who will be spoiled for choice thanks to its shopping festivals such as the Dubai Shopping Festival and Dubai Summer Surprise. Dubai Mall, one of the top places to visit in Dubai, provides access to the Burj Khalifa and also houses the famous Dubai Aquarium as well as a variety of entertainment options such as gaming zone, ice skating ring and multiplex. You can buy mentors for your loved ones back home and browse for jewels in this mall. The options are unlimited. Without a question, the Dubai Mall is one of the top places to visit in Dubai. Number 5. Dubai Aquarium. Visit Dubai Aquarium, which features a variety of activities such as an underwater zoo, glass bottom boat excursion, cave snorkeling and shark diving, and is one of the most popular tourist attraction in Dubai. It's a unique mix of experience, so make the most of at once Dubai most popular tourist destination. Number 6. Desert Safari. While there are several places to visit in Dubai, there are also several things to participate in. The Desert Safari in Dubai is one of the most exciting you will ever have. Exploring the desert that merges into the void is an experience you would not soon forget. This is one of those hobbies that can be enjoyed not only with friends but also with the entire family with no restrictions. Number 7. Dubai Marina. The Dubai Marina is next on the list of must-see attractions in Dubai. This location has grown in popularity as one of the most unique destinations to visit. The fact that it is regarded as one of the largest man-made marinas in the world has contributed to the place's enormous popularity and growth. There are numerous things to participate in, ranging from cafe to several retail plazas in addition to the marina itself. Number 8. Dubai Miracle Garden. If you enjoy flower and nature in general, you will undoubtedly enjoy the Dubai Miracle Garden. If this is particular location is not your agenda while in Dubai, it is time to make a change. The thick greenery combined with the vivid color of the flower will leave you speechless and your heart overflowing. It is Dubai's largest natural floral garden, and the best thing it is located in the desert. The location has unique replicas of some of the Dubai's most prominent establishments. The models change shape and even have appropriate lighting to enhance their beauty. Number 9. Dubai Fountain. The Dubai Fountain is next on the list of tourist attractions in Dubai. It is one of the Dubai's most peculiar tourist attractions. The Dubai Fountain is world's highest and most intricately choreographed fountain. The fountain raised to a height of 900 feet, making it one of the most impressive sights to see in the area. It is a tourist attraction that stands towering in the midst of Burj Lake and has attracted a large number of visitors throughout the year. The mixture of nightlife and the rhythmic movement of the water in the fountain adds to the overall fantastic experience. The craftsmanship and the architecture that went into the single piece of the fountain will astound and amaze you. The total experience is enhanced by the presence of 6,600 superlight and 25 color projectors throughout the structure. The music varies from the classical to current. Number 10. Palm Island. The Palm Islands are a must-see for everyone who has heard about artificial island but never has visited one. The Palm Islands are a group of two artificial islands primarily located in the Palm Jumeirah and the Palm Jebel Ali. While the island at Palm Jumeirah is finished and open to travelers, the one in Jebel Ali is still under construction, so you would not be able to see it. The islands get their names from the shape they take. The majority of tourists, even experts, recommended viewing the island from the air or from any of Dubai's prominent skyscrapers such as the observation deck of the Burj Khalifa. Please share your thought in the comment section below. You may also suggest other similar places in Dubai that we haven't mentioned. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future video notification. Take care. Bye bye.